Guys, welcome back to Fabulous Fashionista. This time I am here with a special Mother's Day episode. You all might be wondering that you can't make special greeting cards for your mom or you can't buy her gifts since this is a lockdown period. But here I am with a solution for all your worries. This gift just requires a newspaper and a paper for wrapping it up. So, your mom will be very surprised when she sees this. This will be a very good surprise for her. Open it. See, it's like this, right? Take one sheet of paper which has two sides. So now see this side, right? Fold it in the middle. Then fold it back again. Then again fold it like this. Okay, so now you got that mark. Remove that. And cut all those places. Then take this, keep it like this. This is that middle line, right? Cut it here. Do the same for the other paper also. Now I am just showing how to do in this paper. Now fold it like this. You have got that mark right here. So cut it there. Now it is come into two. In this you will have two sheets. Keep this on top of each other. Now four sheets are paper. Now keep it like this, cut it again in this line. See, now it has come like this. You have got many sheets of paper. Arrange it. Then fold it in the middle. Take a pen or a pencil. Keep it like this. Draw it in a heart shape. Okay, so sometimes it might come like this in the middle, but no problem. You can draw it into a perfect shape again. Now take this pair of scissors and very carefully cut it in that heart shape outline. Move this away. Now, see, you've got many heart shapes all together. Similarly, I have cut many sheets of paper here in the heart shape. So now I've got about 40 sheets of paper. If you want, you can make it using 20 sheets or even less. But if you use more sheets, it'll come more big. That's why I'm using these many. So now keep this aside and then take another sheet of paper. It might be a small paper or a big paper, no problem. Using a ruler, keep it like this. And then now you can see here, right? Each 2 centimeters. Using a pen or a pencil, measure it. For 0, you write A. Then for number 2, B. Then For number 4, again A. Again after 2 centimeters, again B. Again after 2 centimeters, A. Like that, AB keep on changing for each 2 centimeters. So now we have got this whole line. Move away the scale and the pen. Now you need to stick this. For sticking it, keep it like this and take one sheet of hard paper, fold it in the middle, and then place it here so that this aligns with this line. Now see, I have kept this in this line. Take glue and then see, for this paper we are going to apply gum on all the lines having A. So A till the end of the sheet, A. Next sheet you use B. So it goes on. So now let's apply gum. Then again this. Again this. Yeah, so you have applied gum on all the 3 sides. So open the heart. Only on one half you have applied. So using the same gum, continue the line and draw. Till the end, other half, keep on drawing. Yeah, so now one heart is ready. Take another sheet and then stick it on top of it. Press well because it has to stick. Only if it sticks properly and the gum alignment is right, only then the card will come out perfectly. So now again take this, fold it in the middle, align it to this line. So now see B, here it's B. According all the B, draw lines. Here it's only a bit of B line here, so just put one drop there. Or else it will not come properly and it will become too much of gum. So now, like before, continue. And then just one dot here. Yes, so this is correct. Like before, take another paper and stick it on top. Sometimes the paper might not be in the correct shape of the heart. See, even for me it has not come correctly. The first paper is more bigger than these. So, but the center has to align with each other. Only then it will be perfect later. It may be in different width or length, but the center should be the same. Only then it will come correctly. Fold it. Completed sticking all the sheets. Now it has come like this, a thick sheet. Many of you might be noticing it will not come like this. It will be having a gap in the middle, right? Even I had it. So using gum, I put some gum normally without using any AB methods. Just normally I applied gum and I pressed it. It got stuck. Okay. Now let's see how to insert this into a card. For making a card, now keep this aside. For making a card, I am taking another sheet of paper. You can use any sheet of paper which is available. So now I am keeping it like this fully, and this one is just so small. So I guess I'll just need only half of this paper. So I am going to cut it. Even if you have taken such a big paper and your heart is small, then even you do the same like me. Because if you have such a big paper, then it will not be nice. Okay, so just take 1/2 of this paper. Yes, so now we have got this. You can keep it like this. Now fold it in the middle just like you did for the newspaper. Now here I am going to make it into a heart shaped card. So I am going to cut it in, draw a heart shape and then cut it like that. If you want, you can stick it just like this. Take the heart, keep it here, put some gum here and here, keep it like this and stick it. But I am going to make it a big heart shaped paper, so it will be more nice and apt for the particular festival. So now I am take this heart, get some glue, put some gum. No need to apply more gum because it's already so much of gum has been applied, so just use a bit of gum. Yeah, I have applied the gum here. So open this paper. Make sure that it comes till the middle of this page. Not more, not less. Yes. So fold it. And then press it a bit. Only then it will stick well. I have applied gum only on one side, so it didn't stick on this side. Now take the gum. Again apply gum on the other side and then do the same for this side too. Fold it and then press it a bit. Give pressure and press, only then it will stick well and your card will turn out correctly. Okay, see, now this is square shape. Now take the scissors. Then now if you see, means you can see that shadow kind of thing here, right, of that heart. So making sure you're not going over it, cut a bit of bigger heart. For that I am using one pen. First, if you want, you can draw that outline. Okay, see, like this it has come for me. Then cut it in that shape. If you want, you can give it as a surprise card to your mom, just as a square sheet. But now I just want to make it in a heart shape, so it will come like that. Actually, it's a heart shape paper. It will not look like that. It looks like this from the side. So our card is ready here now. If you want, you can decorate it with some pens. I have made ready some pens here. So now I am going to decorate it. If you want, you can decorate it in any other style, but I am going to decorate it here like this. I have taken the red color pen and then through the borders do a design. You can do any other design which you know well and you're 100% sure that it will come perfectly. Here I am sure that this design is going to be perfect. So now see, nice design. Now turn it this side, do the same design here also. Now we have finished decorating here. Wow, it's come very beautifully. Now, here is the main part. You're going to open this. You all might be wondering why simply we have kept on pasting hearts. Now only you'll see really. Wow! Such a wonderful design. If you want, you can put design here like I did. It's going to be such a great surprise for your mom. It's like a pop-up card. You can close it and open it. It's really wonderful. So, if you like this, please like, share, subscribe and comment. And tell us in the comments about how you like this. Thank you.